Welcome to Mega Build Insider, the ultimate destination where innovation, ambition, and architecture collide to bring you stories that shape the world today. We take you into the realm of mega stadiums, not just buildings, but modern-day cathedrals. Of sport and spectacle, imagine two structures so grand they redefine what it means to build for the future. Two stadiums born in the same year, rising from the ground in the face of global adversity. One in the entertainment capital of California, and the other shimmering in the neon blaze of Las Vegas. Together, they cost nearly $7 billion in combined investment, pushed the limits of modern construction, and became home to some of the biggest sports and entertainment events of our generation. Today, we uncover how the SoFi Stadium and Allegiant Stadium became the crown jewels of American sports. Infrastructure built in 2020 with an eye on the future but grounded in innovation, technology, and architectural brilliance. From seismic challenges to unprecedented scale, from retractable pitches to LED integrated ceilings, these arenas are more than places to watch a game. They are expressions of engineering on a colossal scale. So buckle up as we take you through the birth, the evolution, and the awe-inspiring final result of two of the most impressive stadiums ever created. This is not just a story about buildings. It's a journey through ambition, design, and resilience. Our journey begins in Inglewood, California, where SoFi Stadium sits as a glistening symbol of 21st-century stadium construction at a staggering cost of over $5 billion. It is the most expensive stadium ever built anywhere on Earth, but it is not just the cost that sets SoFi apart, it is the vision from the very start. This project was about more than sports. It was about creating a multi-purpose mecca for fans, visitors, and athletes. Alike home to the NFL's Los Angeles Rams and Los Angeles Chargers, SoFi was designed to host far more than football. Events like the Super Bowl, the Summer Olympics, the FIFA World Cup, and even WrestleMania are all lined up to take place within its futuristic walls, covering over 300,000 square meters of space, and with a seating capacity of 70,000 expandable to 100,000. It boasts 260 luxury suites and is considered the largest stadium in the NFL today. And yet, despite its grandeur, SoFi had to be designed with subtlety and precision because of its proximity to the Los Angeles International Airport. Engineers had to find ways to keep the stadium's towering ambitions grounded. Literally, they built the stadium 30 meters into the ground, ensuring compliance with federal flight path regulations, without sacrificing capacity or spectacle. And it doesn't stop there. Nestled in a known seismic zone, SoFi had to be built with earthquake resistance in mind. The solution came in the form of massive isolators embedded into the foundation, and at the top of the support columns. These act as shock absorbers, able to reduce the vibrations of an earthquake before they ripple through the structure, safeguarding the integrity of the roof and seating bowl alike. It's the kind of foresight that separates good engineering from legendary design. But perhaps the most eye-catching feature of SoFi is its massive canopy roof, constructed of via transparent material more commonly used in greenhouses. The roof spans the entire stadium but remains open air on the sides, allowing natural breezes and sunlight to flow in, giving fans the outdoor feel without sacrificing comfort. By day, it glows with soft white light, and by night, it reflects the sunsets and LED illuminations, transforming the entire complex into a living, breathing architectural canvas. Inside, you'll find the Oculus, an 80 million pixel, 360-degree double-sided video board that hangs over the field like a futuristic halo. Unlike any jumbotron in history, the Oculus provides an immersive experience that no matter where you sit, you're never far from the action, in resolution or reality. It's a technological marvel suspended from a web of steel, like a floating centerpiece of entertainment. But all of this comes with challenges, one of the most difficult being drainage. The site is located in an area prone to flooding, with storm drains having to be rerouted and reshaped, and while construction began in 2016, it was met with numerous delays, including record rainfall, and of course, the global pandemic that reshaped the world in 2020. And yet, despite it all, SoFi pressed forward with 97% completion by September, and its first major event being the Rams preseason game against the Saints on the 13th of that month. The achievement wasn't just logistical, it was symbolic. The world was standing still, and yet here in Inglewood, something monumental was moving forward, proof that human determination and design could outpace adversity. Now, before we move on, if you're enjoying this deep dive into the marvels of modern engineering, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Mega Build Insider, where we bring you epic builds, groundbreaking structures, and the stories behind the concrete, steel, and dreams that shape our world. Now, let's journey to Nevada, where Allegiant Stadium rises from the desert like a polished obsidian jewel, reflecting not just the sun, but the ambition of a city long known for its glitz, glamour, and unrelenting pursuit of excellence. Las Vegas. It was never a city that lacked spectacle, but it did lack a true Major League stadium. That changed when the NFL's Oakland Raiders sought a new home, a more fitting stage for their legacy and fan base. The result was a $1.8 billion colossus of engineering with 65,000 seats and a stadium that redefines what it means to build in the desert. Allegiant was made with both scale and sensitivity in mind. Its sleek, black exterior isn't just for show, it's engineered to reflect sunlight and reduce internal temperatures while creating a futuristic aesthetic that blends seamlessly with the Vegas skyline beneath the dome. A retractable natural grass field weighing 8,500 tons can be rolled outside to absorb sunlight and be replaced with a synthetic surface used by UNLV's soccer teams. This dual-surface solution makes Allegiant one of the most versatile stadiums in North America, and it doesn't stop there. A massive retractable end-zone wall opens up the north side of the stadium, allowing views of the Las Vegas Strip and letting natural airflow in during cooler months. The stadium's roof is fixed but translucent, allowing filtered light to wash the interior during daytime games, reducing the need for artificial lighting and keeping the internal climate manageable in one of the hottest cities in the United States. The climate challenge was a major hurdle, and it was solved through a combination of smart materials, advanced HVAC systems, and a tightly sealed building envelope that prevents heat gain during peak hours. But what's a Raiders stadium without? A tribute to its legacy standing tall within Allegiant is a 26-meter high torch dedicated to the memory of legendary Raiders owner Al Davis. This isn't just any torch, it's the largest 3D printed object in the world at the time of construction, a symbol of innovation and homage blended into one. But the journey to completion was anything but easy. Built on challenging terrain, the site required blasting and excavation on a massive scale. Over 20,000 piles were driven into the earth to create a foundation strong enough to support the steel core and retractable pitch. While storms threatened construction timelines and supply chain issues loomed, a team pressed forward, completing the project in under 3 years. A feat almost unheard of for a stadium of this size. The first major event was held in September 2020, and despite the empty seats due to pandemic restrictions, the venue stood proud and ready to redefine sports in Las Vegas. Together, SoFi and Allegiant represent more than state-of-the-art facilities. They are the embodiment of bold thinking and flawless execution. They are a statement of what can be achieved when vision meets capital and when design meets determination. These aren't just places where touchdowns are scored or concerts held. They are living, breathing monuments to what's possible. When we dare to build beyond limits, they showcase the convergence of sustainability and spectacle, of safety and grandeur. And most importantly, a future-focused design with present-day impact as the world prepares for even bigger events in the coming years. These two stadiums stand ready not just to host them, but to define them. When fans step into these arenas, they're not just entering a venue, they're entering the future of architecture. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of two of the most impressive stadiums built in 2020. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this featuring cutting-edge structures, mega projects, and world-class designs, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Mega Build Insider. We upload regularly and cover everything from skyscrapers to sea bridges, from hydrodams to futuristic cities. Your support helps us continue to showcase the wonders of human engineering and innovation, so tap that bell and be part of our growing community. Until next time, keep dreaming big and building bigger. This is Mega Build Insider, and we'll see you in the next video.